In the Telenitro project by the Prima Foundation, we are developing various digital tools and nature-based solutions to reduce the application of nitrogen fertilizers to crops. One of the tasks of the project is to develop training materials that will help farmers and technical personnel in the agricultural sector implement sustainable agronomic strategies. In this case, we will explore how to conduct soil analysis using the saturated paste procedure. This video demonstrates how soil samples are prepared for subsequent analysis. These samples come from experimental plots, have been taken at various depths, air-dried, and sieved to a pore size of 2 mm. To perform the extraction, 50 grams of dry, sieved soil is used per sample. 20 milliliters of distilled water is added. This mixture is homogenized in a 150 milliliter porcelain mortar. The water is gradually added while mixing with a spatula or stirring rod. Mixing continues slowly until a homogeneous paste with a saturated consistency is obtained. The soil must be sufficiently moist to ensure there are no dry particles, but not so liquid that water pools on the surface. The sample is saturated when, upon tilting the container slightly, a thin film of water appears on the surface of the paste. If no film forms, add more water in small amounts and mix again. Once the paste, a mixture of soil and water, is ready, it is filtered using a vacuum Kitasato flask. The sample is placed in a porcelain Buchner funnel, where a 110 mm thick filter paper has been pre-placed. The filter is moistened with 1 milliliter of distilled water to secure it to the funnel and prevent air entry. The Kitasato flask and the flask are sealed with conical joints. Then, the funnel is placed in the Kitasato flask, and vacuum is applied using a small pump. After some time of filtration, the filtered liquid sample is collected in 10 milliliter tubes. The samples obtained from soil-saturated paste are stored in a refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius for further chemical analysis, following the procedures that will be covered in subsequent videos.